Alright everyone, now let's implement adding a new student. We already have an add student link in the navbar, but when we click it, we get a 404 error. That's because the page doesn't exist yet. So first, we create a new root. Inside the app folder, we create a folder called form, then inside it, another folder called add, and inside that, we create page.js. Now we create a React component and add a simple title like add student. After that, we create a form. We add 3 input fields, one for name, one for class, and one for GPA. Each input has a name attribute because we'll use these names to read the value. Then we add a submit button. Now we handle form submission. We create an async function. And use form data to get input values. So we can access them like form data dot get open parenthesis quote name quote close parenthesis, form data dot get open parenthesis quote student class quote close parenthesis, and form data dot get open parenthesis quote GPA quote close parenthesis. Next, we send a post request using fetch. We send the request to localhost 3005 with method post and content type application JSON. Then, in the body, we convert our data using JSON.stringify and send name, class, and GPA. Now, there is an important detail. Since Next.js components are server components by default, we cannot directly use functions like this. So we have two options. Option 1, convert the component to a client component using useClient. Option 2, keep it as a server component and mark the function with use server. Both approaches work. After fixing that, we test the form, we enter values, click Add Student, and the data is successfully added. Then we check db.json and confirm the new student is saved. So the logic is simple. Create the form, capture input values, send a post request, and store the data in the backend.